Hello everyone, today I will show you how to edit drop-down menu list in Google Docs. Open on Docs file. Now I'll edit this drop-down menu list. Click on this box and here you will find this edit option. Click here. Firstly you can move this list option up and down. I'll delete this one. Select delete and also I'll add new item here. India. Also you can change text highlight color, red color, and this one I'll choose this color. And simply select save and see this highlight color already added. Again select red and move this one drag here and save. Yeah. In this way you can add drop-down menu list, you can add new item, you can delete item from an existing drop-down menu list. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comments.